Hi, I am Sonali Bawa, mother of Anaira Bawa. My daughter is in grade 4 and now she's gone into grade 5. I am very happy with MLSI. What they have shown us in the last 3 months is mind blowing. The smooth transition from the traditional classroom to the virtual classroom, that is e-learning. I, as a parent, first doubted, but the way our school transitioned was amazing. They not only completed their curriculum in the bestest way, but they instilled a new confidence in the children as well as in the parents. The new way of learning, which is digital learning. And I am happy to know that I'm associated with such a school. I am the most happiest parent to give my child in the lap of MLSI. Imagine the smallest child of the senior KG, junior KG level going on through online and learning. This is wonderful. I have nothing more to say about my school. My school is a top class school in IB as of today. The wow factor of our MLSI is number one, the ambience. The moment you go to our school, there is a very positive vibration which the school building itself emits. And we parents, our children, as well as I'm sure all our teachers too get that. The classrooms are amazing, the teaching aids are of top class, rather they are first class. I am very happy with the teachers that we have in our school. They have completely shown their caliber of what they are through their teachings and the way they have conducted. I am very happy with my heads of the school. They have time to time, whenever we have approached them, they have been very accessible and friendly and have resolved all our queries of any sort. I am a very happy parent and I am proud the way my daughter is shaping up. She is developing at a very faster pace and I'm really proud of MLSI. I am very grateful whatever they are doing with our children. The most amazing part, as I told you, the smallest of our child has gone online and is doing digital learning in this time, during this time of pandemic. My school has chosen a beautiful platform. They did their study, they chose Google unlike others, and we did not have any problem with that. We are very happy with our school. God bless our school, and I am sure MLSI where it is going. No looking back. Thank you, MLSI, for everything. We love you.